Today we will identify solutions of linear equations in two variables and solve systems of linear equations by graphing. So a system of linear equations is a set of two or more linear equations containing two or more variables. The solution of a system of linear equation is an ordered pair that satisfies each equation in the system. So if an ordered pair is a solution, it'll make both equations true. And let's look at what that might look like. So we're looking at the point 1, 2 here, and we want to find out if it's a solution of this system of equations. And you'll know it's a system of equations. This is the symbol for that. All right, so we have 2x plus y equals 4. Well, this is my x value, and this is my y value. So 2 times x plus y equals 4. Let's see if that's true. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. So that one checks out. That's good. Let's see if it also satisfies this equation. So again, our x is 1 and our y is 2. All right, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So that checks out. So yes, 1, 2 is a solution of this systems of equations. What about if we had 2, 1, and we were looking at x minus y equals 3, and 3x plus 2y equals 4. So remember, this is our x, this is our y. So I'm going to plug in 2 minus 1 equals 3. And no, 1 does not equal 3. So you can stop there. That is not a solution of this systems of equations, because it has to satisfy both, and we already know it doesn't satisfy the first one. You can also find the solution of linear equations by finding the intersecting points of the lines. So let's look at what that might look like. So we have a graph here, an XY axis, and we're looking at the equations y equals 2x and y equals negative x plus 3. So I need to graph these two equations. So first I have 2x. Well, we know for y equals mx plus b, m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So there is no b on the first one, so our b is just going to be 0. So I'm just going to plot the point there. And then our slope is going to be 2x. So I'm going to go up 2 over 1. So it's going to be right there. Go ahead and plot that line there. Nope. It's going to look something along those lines. All right. And then you have y equals negative x plus 3. So our y-intercept is 3. And then our slope is negative x. So I go down 1 over 1. And I get to this point here. And that line is something like this. All right, so our lines are going to intersect at this point here, which is 2, 1. No, 1, 2. 1, 2 over 1 up 2. So we can check to see if that is a solution by plugging them in. So we're pretty sure it's 1, 2, but we want to check our work. So y equals 2x. Well, this is our x, this is our y. 2 equals 2 times 1, and that is correct. And then we have y equals negative x plus 3. So 2 equals negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. That also checks out. So that is the correct solution for this system of equations. If you would like more practice on this, you can go to IXL, Algebra 2, sections E1 and E2 will help you get more practice with graphing, checking to see if ordered pairs are solutions of systems of equations. And I'll see you in Zoom.